are airing live here at Dark and Gray Studio.
Located at Federal 2, Tibalog, Davao del Norte.
Yes.
Of course, before we go for our first formal session here in Such As Life Podcast, just a little bit knowledge about us, your hosts, K and D. We're sisters.
Katie.
5 things about us, a real quick 5 things about us. Of course, also a real description of what is Such As Life Podcast. So, to start with, mag-una tak D.
How dare you? Okay.
So,
my real name is Nalodia D. E. Gulingay. And I am undergrad. I am a college student at San Pedro College. And I take up the course BS Ed English.
Dalaman pa.
And pinataday.
Tulunaday.
And I am the youngest. Yes, I am the youngest. And then last but not the least, I am multi-talented.
Pakadra! Okay, so as for myself, I am Kresnaya G. Ngulingay Arbilio. I am married. I am the sister of this one. Of Nalodia. I am a graduate of VS Psychology at San Pedro College last 2014. I've been teaching as a college instructor here in Santo Tomas, first at USEP Santo Tomas and now at Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology. And lastly, I am 25 years old.
5 na to die. Okay. So, a quick background about Such As Life.
Of course. Such As Life Podcast, guys, focus more on life. Everything under the sun. Okay, pwede siya nga kanang what you like, what you hate, what you cannot do, what you can do.
Actually, random siya.
Random lang yun siya.
Yes.
In other words, random. Random things about life.
Dalian, day. Hindi na magdamay. No, di mag-uol. Okay, so let's
go to
move
the
on.
topic. Yes.
Okay. So our first topic, okay.
Knowing when to let go and how to let go.
So, what is your opinion about our topic for today?
Based on today's issue, of course, related siya sa national issue na karon. Related na siya sa national issue karon, you know, the J and the B and the G. Of course, you know those. So, it's very hard. This is the thing, maglisod gid ang tao, tama? Mag-let go. Even sa issue, lisod pud ang tao mag-let go. So, focus tayo more on letting go on relationship.
Okay. So, unsa ni day? How to let go. So, magbutang ta sa scenario nga they were together for almost 5 years or more than 5 years, and then how the girl or the boy be able to move on or to let go, diba? Sa memories pa lang, day, saan man nila, day, pwede ba nga kanang si bulang na tao, okay, bye. Kanang ana lang, day, pwede yung mga ingon ana, day. Unsa yung mga tips or mga opinion about ana, day?
Of course, lisod yun ang mag-let go if there are some factors nga kailangan i-consider, like pinagsamahan, you know, how many years na mo nag-uban, and also the comfortability ninyo sa isa't usa. Lain pag kayo, no, kung mag-let go, di ba, may mangita dyan naglain. O pag mangita naglain, of course, there is new adjustment na naman, and people as we are not so adaptable. Maglisod ug adjust kung comfortable na ka for how many years or for so long. That is why, first tip, okay, before letting go, of course, letting go requires decision. And dili ta gusto nga sa atong decision. Dili ta gusto sa atong decision dahil. Dili ta gusto sa atong decision nga kanang magmahay. So, first is i-identify ang yung present experience. What have you learned? Okay? What have you learned para makadevelop ka of possible closure?
Di gusto ni mag-closure. Ako din, no, kanang, sa ako alang, charo! No, masig ma-hot seat na dali, day!
Kaya mo gipili!
Dili, day, ang ako amanday, no? Kaya dili na gusto closure! Kaya dili ka man nagsugod! So, di ba, more ka lang, di ba, kailan na lang mo, day? Kailan na lang mo? Ay, Pauline is watching! Dahil wala na closure, no? Wala na closure mahitabo, ses. Kay, gikan mo pagka-amigo, ses. Nya, pagka mo na closure, ses, magkailan na lang mo, ses. So, ayun na lang na ang closure nga mahitabo, ses.
Well, actually, na mga types sa closure, no? There are personal closure ka na, ikaw lang gusto nga, ganong imo, imo nga decision. There are also closure nga, it requires the partner or the other person.
Yeah, ka-relate ka na, ses.
Nga, ka na.
Closure? Any closure?
A personal closure. Kasi,
Personal.
there are cases, manggod no nga, kanang ikaw is closed na. Closed na yung mind na mao na gid imong decision because of those experiences. And ang ako ang nagatuod jud ko no nga I did not kanang dili ko respond or kanang dili ko mandated na mag-explain. Kasi in a relationship it requires two people understanding each other, di ba?
So, how will you able to let go? If ikaw, ano pa may mga tips ni mo, day? Mamasa to dara, aday, babe.
Malag ito, to help develop a sense of closure. Pwede nga, ikaw lang nag-decide sa mong closure, pwede po kamo ang nagsabot sa closure.
Lang,
diba?
Okay. So, another tip for that.
Another tip, second one, is you write everything, you express everything.
Actually, ako expressive man ko ha, pero dili ko expressive through writing letters or maghatag ba ko long messages sa iya ha para muna to'y pinakataas, muna po to'y pinaka-last. Actually, ako personally says no, Miss K, isa lang siya ako ang kumbaga, ginabuhusan yun og feeling, actually. Si Lord lang yun. Kaya, He is the only one that could comfort you, diba? He is the only one nga kanang maka-relieve sa pain nga kanang dili nimo ma-bear. Sa pain nga kanang dili ka mag-expect nga ang kanang tao mahatag sa imo. So, listen siya, actually. So, mo lang yun ang the only way nga ma-express na ko akong self, ma-express na ko akong thoughts. Kay Lord lang yun, day. Dili ko expressive ko personally, no, maki-express mo dyan ko sa akong self kung sa akong ibati. Pero, inside, more ka lang sa pinaka-uyukan na yun sa akong kasing-kasing. Si Lord lang yun nakabalo. Kay
Mona, ay dyan niya bigla kay Lord yun na siya diretso.
Oo, lisod ba yan ang ginoo na ko sumbungan, no? Kaya basi di mo kabalo ba? Muna kinalasan yung ginghawa, no?
Ay dyan niya bigla kay Lord, dahil na siya mo diretso niya. Lahi ba si Lord? Kay, di ba na malangid? Okay.
Sige.
Yes, of course. And also, kung namin mga friends, you can express your feelings. Kay, of course, guys, in moving on, like for example, muraragod na ka ng ourselves, mapupuno at mapupuno tayo. Diba? We get filled over time. Diba? Musyo na game dapat, no?
Sige,
ano dyan yung mga psych day eh.
Sige, day.
We are filled over time, and before we let go, before we move on, we should let go of the loads. Diba? Para merong new room for new experience, new memories.
Pero
Diba?
it will take a time, ha? Dili na siya instant.
Dili na siya instant, no? Noodles are instant, karong na.
Dili na siya instant. It will always take time.
Yes.
Maybe it will take years, months. Dili na siya like an hour. Mahitabo na siya, but it will take time.
Yes. And for the third tip in letting go, guys, always remember both good and bad memories or bad experience or good experience.
Diba sis, we always kanang gain learnings man
Yes,
from the past relationships
oo.
that we have.
Hindi yan siya advisable, guys, in letting go. Magiging bitter ka
Yes.
na. It's not good, it's not healthy for a person. Also, it's not good and healthy for other people. Nga bitter ka. Of course, kung naon po no, nga for how many years you have so many good memories, di lang bad memories, nga pag bad na ang tanan.
Actually, nagbinautay na sila, no?
Dili
nagbiyahay na sila ba?
Diba?
Yeah, or dili nila i-consider nga mag-matter, dako gyud gihapon og percent ang mga memories that you had together.
Of course. Dili po ayaw po nang kalimtan po nimo ang mga bad because that is the factor nga that you can learn. Okay.
Basta dili lang mo mag-inuyayay, okay? Wala na pangdaot kay cancer.
Silent lang good pinabeya.
Yes!
Silent na sabiya dahil Okay. Fourth tip. Unromanticize the way you love. Meaning, of course, kanang devastated kay nawala imong soulmate. Okay? And then, if you think nga makapangita kag bagong love, or better again, kanang feeling nimo nga mas easier ang pag-move on. Okay? Nakasabot ka, sis?
Gusto ko nga mag-internalize. No! Imo ang time ron, day. Naabot yung mga time, day, no? Gusto ko mag-internalize.
Okay. Unromanticize the way you view love. Of course, you will feel devastated if you believe you're of course,
Asa man, day? Huna-hunaan ni mo, day, nga napay mas better sa iya.
Yes, of course. Dili
open
ka
mo heart.
mag-dwell in. You cannot dwell in always. Kung mag-move on ka, i-unromanticize na to. Ayaw na in love kayo sa iya. Sis,
Sis!
Tapos, mga ingana. Of course, dili ka move on because you are still holding on. Always look for the positive view of letting go, meaning there will be better and positive experience pa aside from the person or the memory you let go.
So unsa man sis, what if kanang you view someone as, di ba, the purpose of having a relationship, di ba, di man siya ingon nga kanang uyab-uyab lang, di ba? The purpose of having a relationship is that you see the person nga you wanted to spend for the rest of your life. And then what if like in just kanang pitik lang sa mata ba, nawala siya og kalit. Di ba, unsaon nimo pag kanang unromanticize ana nga feeling nga na-set naman nimo nga ay kani gyud nga tao ako ang gusto ko tas tigok. Di ba? Unsaon ang kanang disappointments same
Mina. Live mi dili
disappointment nag-live ni lang, no? Shout out kay June, Arby. Day! Sige, Day.
So, saan?
Oo,
nakaset na guys, in psychology, right, guys, no, it's all about the mind. So, kung permintin mo na fix na yung mind, you cannot let go. Mo na, always redirect. Always nga, isipon on the what is waiting for you from this situation. Yung ganon, no, diba? Of course, God will not put you in that situation kung wala siyang better plan for you.
Diba? Ganahan ko anak, sis. Ganahan ko anak.
Of course.
So, let's move on to the
next. Okay, next is, of course,
okay.
Of course, diba, pag after a relationship breakup, you must visualize empowered singleness or a single you. Namo kayo
banda. Basta maladay nga kanang pagbulag ninyo pagkaugma na lang kayo, pwede na.
Dili! I-visualize mo ang empowered single, meaning kanang 30 seconds na lang.
Sige, faster.
I-visualize mo that. Okay, i-visualize mo that single you, meaning dili ka ma-jump in na po nga, asa na po akong bagong target lock na po ka dira. No, you should pause for a while and then muna i-refresh yung mong kagalingan that dili lang, kasi naman good times nga, basi dili ka plan to be with someone, plan ka to
basi
be you.
Maglaon na lang ka,
diba? Single basadness. Diba?
Maglaon na lang ka, day. Ala lang.
Of course, empower yun na. Kasi guys, wala kay laing madaganan kundi mo lang kaugalingan. So, you always visualize yourself as empowered and you can do everything, anything with God.
Actually,
after breakup, do not look for someone else dali-dali.
Diba, you have to fix first yourself before ka mo enter na pod sa life sa uban, kasi you have to be ready sa next battle nga imuha na pong atubangon. Actually, na ako'y mga nakailag yun, sis, no, Sim. Nadyo ko'y mga nakaila ba nga ka ng 8 years sila, 9 years sila, but still they failed. Diba, nagaingon nila nga, dili mag-matter sa length, sa length, sa love, if 8 years na, that doesn't, kumbaga, dili siya, sige term, sis, dili siya
kanang sabaang kuan.
Kala siya term!
Dili siya
guarantee! Okay, dili siya garantiya nga kamo na gyud.
Yeah.
So nagi di ba nga ang na-met lang nimo yesterday, what if siya na di ay ang gitigana sa Ginoo para sa imuha, di ba?
Kabalo baka dira jud ma-stuck ang mga toxic relationship. Tungod kay dugay na di na ko ni let go kay
yes.
Pero it's not a good idea.
What if dugay na mo pero dugay na pud nga dili healthy in your relationship? Puro magkanang ang nagpa-stay lang sa inyo kay dugay na ta, sayang ato na ato memory, sayang ako nagasto, sayang ato ang napundar, ala guday, no?
Sa gasto.
Pero sayang malimpak-limpak na kwarta ang nagasto niya, magbulag pa ta din na, kanani panindigan, no?
Sayang na gasto dai.
Bali na mag-ulo ani, 8 ka tuig na ta, ana.
Dapat jud kanang ang length sa inyong relationship is just incentive, bonus na lang na.
Yes.
Pero what matter is the feelings, the stability, ang inyong growth within the relationship, dili ang length.
Mo nang dili garantiya jud ang katas-on kung unsa mo kadugay.
Yes.
Okay? So, you should not judge the people nga, ay, kagahapon na sila kaila yan, nagminyo na.
Yes.
So, you don't know the story behind.
Familiar
So, you don't know the story behind of the two people who is in love with each other. So, you have to be like average nga, ay, there is a reason behind of that story. So,
kaya guys, kanang kinsa may nakarelate dira, always think nga kung after breakup, focus mo na sa self, refresh mo na pagwapa.
Yes.
Alam mo, kaninang, namoy nga, hala, single na siya ba kay gwapa? Hala, single na siya, gwapo. Alam ba, know your worth once again.
yes.
Kailangan mo good na sugatan ka pa, diba? Broken ka pa, and then, mangita din kag relationship. Kasi you will drag the pain with you to your new relationship. Kaya, always refresh yourself, visualize, be empowered as a single. Then if God allows, you can look for someone else better.
Okay. So let's move on for our next
tip. Okay, I think this is the most the most important one is to reward yourself. Diba? Nag-let go ka niya, mag-reward.
Reward lang na, day.
Of course! Starbucks, day. Or gourmet.
Jacuzzi ka, day. Jacuzzi samal. Mati. Diba? The perfect thing that you can do is to unwind man yun, diba? Ako sa ko ang self, if gusto ko mag-release og kanang pressure, gusto ko mag-release og stress, og problems, and so on and so forth, aside kay Lord, gusto ko matog place nga which is ma-relax ko, and wala na ginailain, makita yun niya sa akong timeline na puro yung dagat. Wala ka na,
Serena, ako din siya, guys.
actually, mo yun ang part-time job, no? Kung wala kong trabaho ba, mga isda, yun ko, day.
Dahil na extra income ba?
You have to, give price to yourself.
It does not mean that you are broken and you really need to be broken. You can gain, you can reward yourself, diba, Simena? Or you can reward yourself even after letting go or even after breaking up. That is a way of saying that deserve mo yung maging happy.
Yes! Di mo kailangan i-drown in yourself, like, super ka luoy emotionally, but you have to think on the brighter side of life,
Of
diba?
course, yes.
Samtang buhay pa ka, there is always a chance and there is always a lot of opportunity to start over again. Okay?
Yes!
So,
Okay,
tip.
now, second to the last, of course, you should always hang into the statement that kanang to the sorry guys, ha. Okay, you can hang to that statement that letting go means loving yourself.
Kasi,
Dili kay letting go means selfishness. Dili na ingana guys. Oh.
letting go means you're, ginabuhian mo yung mong self gikan sa toxic relationship.
Yeah.
Like, ginabuhian mo yung mong self para sa future toxic relationship.
Yes. Letting go doesn't mean being selfish or doesn't mean being kanang tawag ani in kanang more on yourself kanang na letting go means loving yourself. Kung masakit na, move on na. Let go na.
Actually, it's murag kanang ginasave ni mo yung mong self from the pain nga that will cost you in the near future. Wala ka kabalo nga kung unsa ang pain nga imong na-feel karon, basig sobra pa nga pain nga imong ma-feel in the near future, and then you let go kasi you saved yourself. Diba? You save yourself from the future pain nga imong bation sa isa ka tao, sa lalaki man or sa babae.
Yeah. Okay, and also the last, of course, this is the most important thing. In letting go, you should also let God in.
Kasi dili mo guna-ingon nga puro na lang ikaw ang
Ikaw na lang, no?
Kami na lang sa akong uyab. Kami na lang sa akong ex, no? Diba? So wala na space si Lord sa imuhang life.
Yeah.
So basig ang kulang ba nga you have that kanang wala kay intimate na relationship between you and the Lord. Basig mao na siya ang kulang.
Yes,
Maunang,
of course.
Kanang you have to wait on the right time. Kasi naman ko na ginaingon nga, yes, Lord, maghulat ko. Di ba naging na siya illustration ni Pastor Mar Dagar. Shout out ko kay Pastor Mar Dagar.
Yes, hi! Hi, Pastor Mar!
And also kay Pastor Elmer Ogdang.
Pastor Elmer.
He said last Sunday sa iyahang wali, ningon siya nga, Lord, kanang kung kinsa man ang pinakauna nga mosulod sa purtahan mo, gina siya kong pakaslan. Pero ang una nga nisulod kay Tambok, unya maot kay Gnaunday, ana no?
Yung mga yun, Lord, yan na, Lord, ang second.
Joke lang yun to, Lord, diba? So, what if, mara ito gihatag sa Ginoo sa imo, pero imuhang yung gina-refuse, diba? That's the reality. Naghulat ka nga, Lord, ka lang imuhang yung gihatag. Pero hatagin ka sa Ginoo, mamili, mampug ka. So, asa mo lugar? Asa mo lugar ang Ginoo sa imong kinabuhi, day?
Basta dahil yung katong tambok nga ni Sul, mamayat dahil
Oo, day.
Pwede ba? Sexy dahil itong mamayat, di ba ka?
Apurado lang yung ka, no? Nagyo yung ana. So, mao to siya.
Yes, of course, you should let God into your life after letting go because God is the only one or the only comforter that could fix you again to be whole again. Okay. So, okay,
Diba, conclusion, day?
Conclusion, letting go. When to let go is, for me, when you are no longer happy and when you are always hurting.
Charot lang. Bitaw, day.
How
When
to let go?
Oh.
Of course, how to let go? Bye ka sa pertahan. How to let go simply is to how to let go? Kalmat ako dahil
Ako, day, para sa kwado, no? Actually, we always give a lot of chances towards
those are the actually katong tips na maghatag. Those are the things you can do to let go. Pero the best tips talaga is to entrust everything to God. Kasi
Let God
siya ang
judge.
gagawa at gagawa
Yes.
ng paraan.
Let God always hold
Yeah.
sa imong decision. Dili
Yeah.
dapat imong decision. Dapat decision ni Lord.
Yeah. Dili
So-
maging gahi, ha?
Okay.
So, that's it,
Yay!
everyone!
That is our first topic on our podcast.
Such as live. So,
See?
actually, we are live at Facebook. So,
Dark and Gray
Dark and Gray.
Studio. Thank you guys for watching.
Yes.
We'll shout out you later.
So,
And that's all. And see you on our next
next session. If you have
Any suggestions?
if you have suggestion for topics, you
Yes.
can comment down below
Mhm.
at the live video on the Dark and Gray Studio page. So, comment down below kanong mga topics na gusto niyo i-discuss o mga yung mag-tips and kuan, ano ng financial tips kay wala.
Hindi mo
Go
makaprovide.
ka pa nanirado na kasi eh.
So, makampulan na ka mga pre! Ako ang baka makita ko ni Kevs, no?
Okay, so once again, this is Such is Life podcast. I am your host, Kay.
I am D,
And this is the end of our session 1. See you on the next session. Bye!